Hey everyone, if Inkscape is lagging in 2026, like slow zoom, delayed clicks, or freezing while drawing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Inkscape lag issue step by step. First, open Inkscape and restart the application and your computer. This clears temporary memory issues and improves performance. Next, reduce the complexity of your design. Too many nodes, filters, or heavy elements can slow down the software. Now, lower the undo history size in settings. This helps reduce memory usage and improves speed. After that, disable live preview effects and heavy rendering options. These features can make editing slower. Next, update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are a common cause of lag in design software. Now, avoid importing large raster images like high-resolution PNGs or JPEGs. These can heavily impact performance. After that, adjust performance settings inside Inkscape to reduce rendering quality. This helps improve speed during editing. Finally, close unnecessary background apps to free up RAM and CPU resources. This gives Inkscape more power to run smoothly. So yeah, that's how you fix Inkscape lag issue in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your workflow should become much faster. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Inkscape tutorials for beginners.